Yes, look at it. Finally properly at the Merrimack. Took a while to get here. It's worth it. This is a secluded spot. It's a really low river. Look, we got some stern going on. Yes. Oh, look at that. What do we got here? It's our old friend, Mr. Drum. Oh, you little stinker. Swallowed the hook. A little nicer. Got some fight to it. What we got here? Another drum with a hook in its mouth. Another drum. What do we got here? Whoa! Little tiny channel cat. What do you know? It's a mixed species video. All right. Little baby. Let that one go. Oh, mister. Awesome. Happy. Ooh. Nicer fish this time. Very subtle bite. Just a little twitch on the line. Nicer fish. Wonder what we got. Maybe a bigger drum or a cat. Doesn't. Ooh. Looks a little bronzy, huh? Maybe that's a carp. I don't have the net set up behind me. Maybe I can just beach him. What do we got here? Is that a quillback? What are you? Ooh. We might have a foul hook is what we might have. Oh no, it doesn't look like a foul hook. Ah, look at that. Nice. Little carp, little common carp, right in the side of the mouth. Remember the last time I caught a common carp on a Nightcrawler? It's been years. I'm going to wash him off real quick. Nice. Just a few pounds, not very big. Pretty nice. Whoa. There you go, buddy. There you go. Thank you. You know, I wonder if I just made the biggest mistake in the world, or if that was a buffalo. But you'll tell me. I just lost a nice bite. I was texting. Shouldn't text and fish. We got something. Oh, it's another nice fish. Oh, what is that? Did you see that? Little ugly head popped up out of the water. What do we got here? Oh, no. Little soft shell. God, he's flat as anything. He's like a freaking penny. He's so flat. Let's see what the coonhound thinks about this, because I gotta get tools. gonna give us a hand? We might be able to just get that out. Yay, got it out. There it goes. She couldn't be bothered. She's like, yeah, I saw it. I don't want to deal with it. Goodbye, Mr. Turtle. Don't come back. Hey. Look at that. Little striper. Pretty cool. Look at that, Dixie. Got him. Ooh, this one's just sitting. Wow, I wonder what I have this time. Please don't be another turtle. Ooh. Whoa! Good thing I have the drag set properly. We got us a nice fish here, Dixie. Nice fish, Dixie. Nice fish. Look at that rod tip. Woo! Just gonna let him get tuckered out. Stay away from the log, buddy. Woo! Ha-ha! Scream and run! Yes, sir! What we do it for? Woohoo! What are you? Oh! Look at you! What are you? Let's check you out. Looks like a buffalo, right? The first one I may have caught, I may have misidentified as a carp. There's no barbels. I believe it's buffalo. Or a quillback. I'm from the south, so there's a little more up here. My game isn't all that great right now on you northern fish. Are you a quillback? You a river carp sucker? If I'm misidentifying any fish, just let me know. I don't mind. I don't mind it at all. Look at him. That might be a quillback. It doesn't, I'm not sure. It don't look too much like a buffalo. And there's no barbs. No barbs. Nice. I think you might be a river carp sucker. See how the mouth is turned down? He's either a smallmouth buffalo, whoa, or a quillback. Slapped in the face with water. Once again, another nice fish. A little heavier. This is only 12-pound test. And we're using like a size 5 Aberdeen with Nightcrawler. Ooh, look at that. See the swirls? He's stirring it up out there. Wonder what we have here. Ooh. Another questionable fish. A little bigger. Here we go. Ooh, look at the... Come on, buddy. Come here. Boy, the hook's down in there, but sizable, huh? What are you? Is this what you call a river carp sucker? Or the other river carp sucker, a quillback? Or is this a... Whoa! Dang it! Smallmouth buffalo. I'm gonna have to get the hook out, so I'll get back to you. There he goes. Bye-bye. Thank you. Another fish. Not too big this time. What do we got here? Little drum. Little drum. I'm all catch and release today, in case you've been wondering about some. Just having fun. Another nice fish. This time from further out. I think he's gonna freak eventually. He's just kind of tugging a little bit. It feels a bit like a cat. Oh, he's starting to do something. Coming upstream now. I hope it's a fish. Could be a bigger turtle. Just kind of dragging him in, and he's just kind of tugging a little bit. What are you? Oh, whoa. There we go. Nice fight, whatever it is. He's just right here somewhere. He's not too far from us. See the swirl? What are you, buddy? Whoa! What do we got here? Cat, right? Ooh. Yep. Nice. Just gonna muscle him in a little bit. it go? Wow. Right in the whisker here, right in the corner of the mouth. Nice channel cat. Bah! Nice channel cat, huh? Little fat sucker. Nice colors on him. There you go. At least that one didn't splash us in the face. Oh. This might be our last fish. Dixie and I need to head up the trail here soon. Ooh. Bit of a nice fish. Wonder what we got here. Stirring everything up. What do we got here? Nice little drum. Maybe the... Oh, dang it. Got that hook down in there. That might be the best one I've caught today, the best drum. All right. Let me get that out. Maybe, maybe not. Ooh. Hot dog. Came right out. There you go, buddy. Well, that's it for us. Gotta get up this trail. See you next time.